fewer homes selling this June compared to last, down 1.3%. The sales prices were up 3.9% this year to a state average of $543,801. It's Friday, July 18th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Maryland also had 15.47% fewer new listings for sale this June compared to 2024. Most county home prices are up this year, but Howard County prices dipped 0.4%. Queen Anne's County is down 2.6%, Talbot County is off 20.9%, and Worcester County fell 13.1%. This report's new inventory rose to 2,521 units for sale, a 50% increase from last report. Coming soon properties fell 24.38% to 1,300. Homes going under contract rose 49.40% to 1,754, and in 17 days going to contract. 1,353 properties sold at 100% list to sold ratio, selling in 13 days at a median sales price of $450,000. Rental properties rose to 2,999 and priced at a median $2,700 per month. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, July 18th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay cool. I'll see you next week. Take care.